How to fix EA app games not launching just on your account. For this I will simply click on my Steam account to open it and search for EA, that is Electronic Arts. For this I will open my Steam account. As you can see, that is waiting for network right now. I'm signing into my Steam account, and whenever it will be open I will simply click on the home page, and the right top of the home page, that is search option. In the search bar you have to search for EA sport car or any Electronic Arts game here and click on it. After clicking on it, if you can see that it's not working, then how you can fix it? To fix it, you just need to understand some things, that this problem occurs only due to your network connection or any lag on your PC. So the first thing is, make sure you are connected to a better network connection, and for this I will check my app setting and my Bluetooth or Wi-Fi setting also. Here, as you can see, these are the installed application on my account here, and I will scroll to the down and show you that here is Steam. Refresh the data and you can uninstall it and then reinstall it again. After that you have to try that if it works for you. If still you face the same problem after uninstalling or reinstalling the Steam application, you can restart your PC for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.